So here's my plan. I need to make this rear cargo bed on the golf cart into what I'll call a trunk or a rumble seat or a tailgate or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is I bought these latches at Lowe's. They're just a simple cabinet type latch or a gate latch, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take and mount those into the tailgate bed of this so that I can lift this up like that and create a place where nothing's going to fall out, and they'll slide over and latch into these side rails right here and lock in place so that in the sense the tailgate stays up and all my stuff stays in here when I'm tooling across the field. Put a piece of blue tape on there just so I can mark on that hard angle iron that's got black paint. It's hard to see my markings. I'm going to run a pilot drill in first. Now I'm going to use a universal bit to bring that hole up to size so that this pin slides in it freely. Got to clean that up a little bit, but that's what I needed. Put this on here in a position that makes it hold really well. So there's the final install. Works quite well. A little bit stiff, but that's okay. I keep it from shaking loose. So I've drilled a hole up here in the rail on both sides. And now I just close it up, slide the bolt back, line it up, and then it goes. Just like that. Works pretty well. Quite pleased with that. And it holds it up there. Thanks for watching.